to Pittsford. It'll be for a grill that's on fire about 10 feet from a house on a deck. Started when they were changing the propane tank at 6 Mandalay Ridge between Mendon Road and a cul-de-sac. That's Pittsford for the grill that's on fire about 10 feet from a house caused when the propane tank was being changed. 6 Mandalay Ridge between Mendon Road and the cul-de-sac, Pittsford.
Responding.
38 responding.
See, it's on the way.
3C68 on the way.
35 is on scene. We got nothing shown. We'll be investigating. We do not have water.
We'll be investigating and does not have water at 1834.
382 is responding.
2, you're responding, same time. 385 reports that they do have a deck on fire, does not appear to be around the house, and they do have a hydrant.
Okay, responding.
1836. 18, you're on location at 1836.
384 now. Let's look at the hydrant on the corner.
Guys, we've got a hydrant in front of the house. We're connected to the hydrant.
Okay, 318 and 384. Just stand by. It's 64 and Mendon for that hydrant.
385 reports propane plug tank had just blown with no injuries at this time at 1837.
That's affirmative. 318 of Pittsford. I'm establishing command on the Alpha side. 3C68 is going to be operations at the rear. I need a crew up to the scene to stretch a second line to the front of the house. You want us to come up? Yeah, affirmative. Come in up here and have your crew stretch a second line to the front of the house.
5225. Be advised, I deployed a second line coming through the garage.
Investigating and would like a fire investigator out there.
Dispatcher has that waiting to call back.
Dispatcher.
934, we acknowledge.
Fire dispatcher to Mandalay Command. Car 840 is en route with a 35-minute ETA, 35.
Go ahead, 3C18. 3C18's releasing 382.